So, Little Venice is obviously known for the canalways. And here's our first one. Jaywalking, I don't care. Here we go, let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at that. Morning from London, heading back into town. We got one full day. It's about almost 9 a.m.
It's about 57 degrees.
Yeah, and
windy.
We are heading to Buckingham Palace to watch the changing of the guard this morning. So, got a bit of an hour commute to get into town, and then we'll be in town all day. So, one last big day adventure. So we made it to Buckingham Palace, and like we assumed, changing of the guards over here, right at Buckingham Palace, but because of the Jubilee, you really can't get anywhere near it. You can't see anything. It's just so far away. Everything is blocked off. But you can see the procession. So they process from this end down to Buckingham Palace, way down there. So we've gotten here almost an hour early to get a spot, and we've got plenty of spots here, so we'll see them. A nice spot to see them walk by and process in, so at least see that. Pretty cool. A lot of people here.
I don't think they have anybody down there, right? They blocked the entire thing off, right?
Yeah, I don't think they're letting like anybody, and if there's people there already, I'm sure. There's no way we're gonna get anywhere close. So this is the best we're gonna do. That's okay. Gives us something to do next time, because the last time I was here, it was also the Jubilee, so I also didn't really get to see Buckingham Palace very well. So I have to go when it's not the Queen's Jubilee.
Which is all the time. Every 10 years.
Yeah, last year was, so this is what, 70? I think it's the 70th, and like last time was the 60th when I was here. So okay, we'll just wait until the procession starts. I'm sure it's going to take a while, because the road is like, it might be a mile long, at least a half mile. It's a pretty long distance. So, as we suspected, you can only really see them walk by because of the Queen's Jubilee. You really can't get close at all. So, we got to see them walk by. I'll share that with you. And that's it.
It was like 5 minutes maybe.
Like 2 minutes.
2 minutes, I guess.
So, kind of cool. I didn't get to see that last time I was here, so that's different. But you got to come here when it's not like the Queen's Jubilee.
Which you have done this 8 years.
10 years ago.
10 years ago. And
so I think it's her 70th Jubilee right now, and I was here on the 60th. So I haven't been anywhere near Buckingham Palace both times I've been here. So now we're gonna
just make sure that the next time we come to London, it's not on the 10-year.
Yeah. If she gets an 80th Jubilee, that'll be crazy. So now we're gonna head. We have to get our COVID test, so we're heading to the tube, and we are gonna try and check out a place near Paddington Station where we're getting our test. Yeah, so we're gonna go try and check out this place. It's right near Paddington Station. It's called Little Italy. It's just like a little Italian-looking neighborhood in London. I think it's just one of those hidden gems most people don't know about. But we'll see if it looks cool. Pictures look cool, so we're gonna go check it out. So this is Trafalgar Square. Here we got the big pillar here in the middle with the lions. We got some type of Jurassic World thing going on. Fountain, some art, and then in the background here we've got the National Gallery. And then I'm noticing these people in red here, and there's some people up there on the stairs. There's a soccer game, football game here today. These are Nottingham Forest fans, and the Huddersfield play Nottingham Forest today for the playoff championship. So big game in Wembley. I don't know where Wembley is, but not here. So
There's Kyle getting up there with all the children because he just wants to sit on the lion. Get up there. Grab his hand. There you go.
okay, so we're leaving Trafalgar Square, and we're gonna head to the tube station to go to Little Venice. Gotta get through the bikers though, again. looks like a nice neighborhood right now. I don't know exactly where we're supposed to go, but there's a park here, I think, called Little Venice Gardens that we can go in. Can you get up further? Are we going the right direction? Okay, so I think we're getting to one of our first views here. Ooh, loose chippings. I don't know who he is. Sounds like a mean guy. Little Venice is obviously known for the canalways. And here's our first one. Jaywalking, I don't care. Here we go, let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at that.
I did it.
It does look a little bit like Venice. I would say actually it reminds me more of Amsterdam. Let's see. It looks like you can walk down on the edge. It's got these nice fences here too. Nice spider webs. Cool. Let's this one looks more happening on this side. Let's see if we can get down there and walk. See any way to get down? Looks like there's some boat rides and stuff. Boat tours. Okay. You want to go on a boat ride? Do you want to go on a boat ride?
Do you want to?
No, not really. That way just goes up and over. You want to walk this way? Wow. Just a neat little area of the city that gets left out of the tourist brochures for a lot of the other big stuff. So that's Little Venice. Kind of just a nice little walkable neighborhood area right on the water there. Looks more like Amsterdam to me, but I get where they say the Venice part. So if you want, come down, check it out. Maybe get a boat ride around. Be like a nice relaxing afternoon or something. Be pretty cool. So we're gonna head to Paddington Station now, and maybe right on the Elizabeth line. That's brand new, so maybe we'll jump on the Elizabeth line and just see what it looks like. 'Cause it just opened like a couple weeks ago or a week ago or something. It might be neat. And then, because we're waiting on our COVID tests, which are at 1:10, and it is what, 11:30 or noon?
11:50.
So it's almost noon, so we have an hour to kill. Maybe we can get tested a little early.
Maybe if we walk in, we can just be like, hey.
Probably.
We could probably try.
Yeah.
Find
Okay.
a station and try.
So, off to Paddington Station. It is busy here. I don't know why it's so busy. I don't know if it has to do with the soccer game or what. Yeah. And I think this one has like these long range trains that go out in and out of town. Yeah, but if people are coming in from the out of town trains for the game, they're going right on there. Yeah. Woo! Busy, 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 busy. Okay, so we just got our test done, and we're gonna attempt to take the Elizabeth line in the general direction of Borough Market, where we're gonna get lunch. But it is a mess around here. It's hard to get around. Everybody coming in and out of town, and they got the soccer game this afternoon, so it's just pretty crazy. So so Elizabeth line was closed going to where we wanted it to go, so we just went straight to Borough Market. So Borough Market, it's right here. Try to cross the road, stay to the left, or we'll go to the right. Nobody knows where to walk around here.